What you got there?
Okay. So this is tallow and crumb keto cookie cooked on a charcoal grill with creme fraiche on top. We cooked it on a skewer until the outside was nicely brown, but the inside is nice and gooey and hot and melty, and it's perfect. Yeah, and you like cooking tips that like that. Watch it, it'll cook real fast. Faster than you realize, way faster than the marshmallow. Now, all the carnivore people are gonna love barbecues like this. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, and then maybe give them suggestions on how to know when it's done. And I'll zoom in. It smells ready.
Can you see it starting to slip?
Let me get that.
Whoa, nice. Ooh.
Wow.
Nice. Ooh, you know what? We can each have a half.
Oh.
Yes. Ooh. Actually, just taste that. This looks so good. Oh my god. Mmm.
Yes.
Oh, so good. Mmm. Okay. And this happens to be creme fraiche that my friend Jazzer had ready. So like, why not add it to her little peanut butter morsel? And here I am with my, what are we gonna call this, Jazzer? It's like a tallow and crumb
Fire roasted cookie.
fire roasted peanut butter cookie with Jazzer's accidental creme fraiche on top. Yum. Oh. Mmm.
Don't drop any of it.
No. Mmm. Okay, your turn.
This is so nice.
This is a surprise duo.
That's gonna be on repeat.
Yay. Yum.